Imagine a small South Korean automaker challenging global giants in the automotive industry and transforming, in less than half a century, into one of the largest powerhouses in the sector. How did a company that started with a simple model manage to revolutionize the market, overcome quality crises, and now lead the race for electric and sustainable vehicles? The story of Hyundai is a journey of innovation, resilience, and bold strategies, and you are about to discover the secrets behind this astonishing success. The story of Hyundai, from a local dream to a global powerhouse. The history of Hyundai Motor Company begins in 1967, in a South Korea recovering from the devastation of the Korean War. The country, still with its developing economy, was far from being a significant player in the global automotive industry. However, the dream of transforming the country into an industrial powerhouse was alive in visionary minds. One of those minds was Chung Ju-young, the founder of Hyundai, whose entrepreneurial spirit and tireless optimism helped build one of the largest automakers in the world. The roots of Chung Ju-young and the rise of Hyundai. Chung Ju-young was born in 1915 in a Korea still under Japanese rule. The son of a peasant family, his life journey was marked by hardships. However, from a young age, Chung dreamed of leaving the countryside and venturing into business in the city. He made several attempts to start businesses, from a grocery store to a construction company. These failed experiences, however, taught him important lessons about resilience, hard work, and how to overcome obstacles that arose along the way. In 1947, Chung founded Hyundai Engineering and Construction, which would become one of the largest construction companies in South Korea and play a crucial role in modernizing the country by building roads, bridges, and buildings. But Chung wanted more than just to build structures. He dreamed of putting South Korea on the global map, and he knew this couldn't be done without a strong automotive industry. The creation of Hyundai Motor Company. Thus, in 1967, Hyundai Motor Company was born. The company's initial goal was simple: to assemble cars using imported components. At first, Hyundai did not have the capacity to develop its own car, so it partnered with Ford to produce vehicles under license. The first car produced was the Ford Cortina, launched in 1968. However, Chung knew that for Hyundai to become a true driving force, it needed to design and manufacture its own vehicles. In 1974, Hyundai took a crucial step by hiring George Turnbull, former director of British Leyland, to help the company create its first fully Korean passenger car. Turnbull and his team developed the Pony, which would be the first car designed and manufactured in South Korea. The Hyundai Pony, the first step towards independence. Launched in 1975, the Hyundai Pony symbolized Hyundai's transformation into a true automaker. With its simple and affordable design, the Pony quickly became popular in South Korea, offering an economical alternative to expensive imported vehicles. More importantly, the Pony allowed Hyundai to establish itself as a reliable and accessible brand in the South Korean market. However, Hyundai had ambitions that extended beyond the borders of South Korea. In 1976, the company began exporting the Pony to countries like Ecuador and the Netherlands, marking the beginning of its international presence. Although it was not an immediate success in more developed markets, the Pony helped open doors and gave Hyundai a solid foundation to expand its global operations. International expansion and the challenges of the 1980s. In the 1980s, Hyundai began looking at more competitive markets, including the United States. In 1986, the company launched the Hyundai Excel in the American market. The Excel, a compact and affordable car, was received with great enthusiasm, especially by consumers seeking economical options during a time of economic uncertainty. The initial success was so great that by 1987, Hyundai had already sold over 168,000 units of the Excel in the United States, making it the best-selling car launch in history up to that point. Despite this initial success, Hyundai soon faced challenges. Although the cars were affordable, they quickly became associated with quality and reliability issues. During the 1980s and early 90s, Hyundai struggled to shed the reputation of producing cheap cars that were not necessarily durable. The brand knew that to compete with established automakers like Toyota, Ford, and General Motors, it would have to improve the quality of its vehicles. The 1990s, redefining quality. Hyundai's turnaround began in the 1990s when the company decided to aggressively focus on improving the quality of its cars. In 1998, Hyundai launched one of the most impressive warranties in the automotive industry, a 10-year or 100,000-mile warranty for vehicles sold in the United States. This bold strategy aimed to restore consumer confidence, demonstrating Hyundai's commitment to the durability and reliability of its products. At the same time, Hyundai invested heavily in research and development, R&D, building innovation centers around the world and hiring renowned engineers and designers. The company focused on improving performance, fuel efficiency, and car design. Models like the Hyundai Elantra and the Hyundai Sonata began to receive praise for their quality, safety, and value. Hyundai's success was no longer limited to affordability. Its cars now competed on equal footing with the giants of the industry. The 21st century, a global leader in innovation and sustainability. By the early 2000s, Hyundai had transformed. The company not only recovered its reputation but also began to be seen as an innovative automaker. In 2004, the Hyundai Elantra was awarded Car of the Year in Canada, and the company continued to gain ground in developed markets such as the United States and Europe. However, the biggest challenge of the 21st century for the automotive industry has been the transition to more sustainable vehicles. Hyundai, once again, demonstrated its vision by heavily investing in clean energy technologies. In 2013, Hyundai launched the world's first mass-produced fuel cell vehicle, the Hyundai Tucson FCEV. This breakthrough positioned Hyundai at the forefront of sustainable mobility, a position the company continues to expand with new electric and hybrid vehicles. In 2021, Hyundai unveiled the Hyundai Ioniq 5, an electric SUV that quickly captured global attention for its futuristic design, performance, and range. With the Ioniq 5, Hyundai established its commitment to lead the transition to electric vehicles. The company also announced ambitious plans to become carbon neutral by 2045, reinforcing its role as a leader in sustainability in the automotive sector. The culture of innovation and current challenges. Part of Hyundai's continued success can be attributed to its culture of innovation and adaptation. The company adopted a global approach, establishing factories in strategic countries such as the United States, Brazil, India, and China, which helped meet local demand and reduce production costs. At the same time, Hyundai continued to invest in emerging technologies such as autonomous vehicles and smart mobility solutions. Hyundai has also stood out in design. Under the leadership of Peter Schreier, former Audi designer, the automaker has created cars that are not only functional but also visually appealing. The iconic Hyundai Palisade SUV and the sporty Hyundai Veloster are examples of the brand's bold new aesthetic. Hyundai Today, a future focused on sustainability. Today, Hyundai is one of the largest automakers in the world, with millions of vehicles sold annually in over 190 countries. The company continues to lead in technological innovation, focusing on electrifying its fleet and creating smart vehicles. Hyundai's commitment to sustainability is one of its core pillars, and the company is heavily investing in research to create technologies that can make global mobility more environmentally friendly and accessible. In addition to its dedication to technology, Hyundai has a significant cultural impact. The brand has engaged in various social and community initiatives, promoting education and economic development in many of the markets where it operates. Hyundai takes pride in its role as a responsible corporate citizen and continues to invest in projects that help improve people's lives around the world. Conclusion: Hyundai's journey from a small South Korean automaker to a global powerhouse is an inspiring example of resilience, innovation, and strategic vision. The company's commitment to quality, sustainability, and technological innovation continues to guide it on the path to success. Led by the bold vision of Chung Ju-young, Hyundai has proven that no matter how humble its origins, with hard work and dedication, it is possible to conquer the world. Looking to the future, Hyundai is positioned to lead the next era of mobility, with cars that not only take us from one place to another, but also help protect the planet for future generations. If you enjoyed this video, please share, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you very much for watching.